Welcome. In this video, I show you how to start your PC in safe mode in Windows 10. Restart your PC. When you get to the sign-in screen, hold the Shift key down while you select power icon, then click Restart. After your PC restarts, to the Choose an Option screen, select Troubleshoot. Advanced Options. Startup Settings. Restart. After your PC restarts, you'll see a list of options. Select 4, or F4 to start your PC in safe mode. Or if you'll need to use the internet, select 5, or F5 for safe mode with networking. This was. Now, your PC has start in safe mode. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget for subscribing our channel, and visit our website address, fullfreesoftware.net.